Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will create an animated loading page, which is like the filling water or filling liquid, which would be created with pure CSS, only CSS with HTML. The code as usual will be linked in the description, and let's go to the coding and see what we have. First I will create here an HTML file which is empty. I will right click, new, I will create HTML, click new, HTML, I'll call it loading 7. Okay, then here I will create a first element which is the div. I'll say div and I will name it class loader. Close it. Then I will create a CSS style. I will say style sheet. I will call it style. I will link those files together. I will see here link href is the style and the type is text CSS and the relationship is style sheet. Great, now they are linked together. Then I will go over here. I will see body, and in the body I will see the margin is 0, the padding is 02, the background color, I'll choose a color that I want, for example that color. Then we will say the position and the we'll control the position. I will say position and I will say absolute. From top we need it to be 50% and from left to be also 50%. Great. Then I will say transform we need it to be translate negative 50% and also negative 50%. Okay, then the next element I will create the display. I need to display flex. So then I will say the the class we have it already. I will say loader, and the loader will get the position is relative, and we have the width and the height. The width is 250 pixel, and the height also 250 pixel. The next element would be the background. I will say background color. I will choose a color file like the following, and then there would be border radius. It would be 50%. Then we will say the box shadow. We needed a box shadow to get the same color as this. Let's say 000, so it could be a black color. Then we'll go to the next. The next element is the loader dot colon before. We need to create the same element, same circle, but before this main circle. We'll say here the content is null. The position would be absolute. Then we said from top we need to be negative 150 pixel. From top we need to be negative 150%, and from the left it would be negative 50%. Great. Then I will say the width and the height. The width would be 200%. The height also would be 200%. Then I will create the border radius. I will say border radius is 40%, and 40%. Then the next element would be the opacity. I will say opacity. I need to be 0.7. Great. Then after the opacity, we have to get the animation. I will say animation, animate. Then I will say 10 seconds, linear, infinite. Okay, infinite. Great. Now we'll create the keyframes. You have it already. I will say here add keyframes, and for the animate, it should be the same as we have the animation we have created. Then over here I will say when it's 0%, I need the animation to be like the following. I need to transform. We will say rotate 0 degree, 0 degree. Okay, then I needed the width to change to 250%. Also the height would be changed to 250%. We'll duplicate this element as it is. I'll see Ctrl D. Then I will see when it is 100. I need to transform to make a full circle. I will see 360 degree, and this could be changed to 100%, and the height also 100%. When we save and double click and refresh what we have, double click, okay, now we have this circle. Great. I could increase the value over here. I'll see 200, and over here it's 200. Save it. Let's refresh. It doesn't work. Why? We will see why. The color is here. The background is that. Okay, I think we forgot about the color over here. We should get a color. I will see background color. We will see which color we needed. I will see that color. It should be the same color we have it over there. Great. Now it's working, but slowly. Okay. We could increase the speed. We could decrease the speed as we need it. This was the lesson of this session. It doesn't complete, by the way. We'll see why. Okay. It should be go from there to 100. 100. Okay. Let's refresh. Okay. Great. So it should arrive to the end. Then it will repeat many times until we load our website. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, like it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed for latest video we upload. Thanks for watching and listening, and see you again.